When you click on estimates here, one of the first things you'll see here is the estimates dashboard, and this is basically a list or a particular view of the estimates and or proposals that you're sending to all of your clients. One of the great things about the estimate dashboard, as well as all of the dashboards including projects and time and expense, is that everything is customizable with views. So you can actually create very different views based on a whole lot of different criteria and have those show up automatically depending on what you would like to see or how you would like to segment or break down your estimate view. So even though this may look like just one dashboard, you actually have the ability to create multiple views and multiple dashboards. We'll cover views in a separate video and dig deeper into those, but with each of these views you can actually customize the columns, the order of the columns, the sorting, all of that kind of stuff. But at first glance, one of the things you'll notice here is that every row has a icon that goes along with it, and you'll start to understand what these icons mean. They are the various states or stages of the estimate approval process that the estimates are in currently. So the green thumbs up is an approved estimate. The little alarm clock or snooze alarm clock icon means that it's been postponed by the client. They've decided that they're not ready right now, but they are still interested in the future. Very important icons are viewed and sent. So whenever you send an estimate, it has the yellow paper airplane icon, and as soon as a client views it, you will know that it is viewed because the icon has changed to an orange eye for viewing. So there's icons here like completed, there's other ones that are declined, and so forth. Okay, and you can click on any one of these column headers to sort by it very quickly. So you can, for instance, if you wanted to sort by created date, you can sort it that way, or if you wanted to sort it by organization, you can do that as well. Okay, so you can always go back to your original default view and it will reset all of that kind of stuff for you. In this particular instance, I have a default view that is sorted by estimate number. One other thing to notice is that you'll notice some of these rows are orange. And what that means is if you expand these rows, these are related estimates. In other words, there was an original estimate here, and there was the original estimate here, and what's in orange is what's called a scope adjustment or scope change. There's a change that was made to the project, there was an estimate that was approved for that change, and these are now grouped together here as one group wherever you see this expanding plus sign. And these are repeated whenever you see the scope changes or the other related estimates. You'll see them all grouped together. You'll always see the original and the one or multiple scope change estimates that go along with it. It's just a quick ways to see these together as you go through, but these are all individual estimates in essence.